If you need to make your repost private on TikTok, then follow the steps in this video. Let's first open our TikTok app on iPhone or Android, and then you're going to hop over to your TikTok profile page by tapping here at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can open your reposts by clicking this little icon that looks like two arrows, and this will essentially show you all of the videos which you had reposted on TikTok. But these videos can be seen by everyone who opens your TikTok profile. So what I will do is I will tap on the three lines at the top right. After that, let's tap on the Settings and Privacy option here. Once we open the TikTok settings page, I'm going to click on Privacy, which should be the second option from the top of the page. We have a lot of privacy options which we can customize here, but they don't give us a private reposts option or something similar. We don't have the ability to hide them separately in the TikTok app. But there is one thing that you can do. You can set your whole TikTok profile to a private one by tapping here, and that will essentially hide your profile from people who don't follow you on TikTok, and they won't be able to open your profile, they won't be able to see the videos which you post, and they cannot access and view your reposts. If they want to follow you, you will have to accept them as a follower, or you can simply decline the request. But keep in mind that all the people that are already following you can see your reposts at any time, and you can't hide it from them. So this is the only way of making our TikTok reposts private. If you have any other suggestions, please make sure to leave them in the comments of this video, and I will see you in the next one.